Zoho Meeting features, strengths, weaknesses. Zoho Meeting is Zoho's web conferencing platform, deeply integrated within the broader Zoho ecosystem. Key features revolve around scheduled and instant meetings, webinars, and robust recording capabilities, including transcription services. User management and role assignment are granular, allowing for precise control over participant privileges. Integrations are a major selling point. Zoho Meeting seamlessly connects with Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, Zoho Mail, and numerous other Zoho applications, streamlining workflows for existing Zoho users. Beyond the Zoho suite, integrations with Google Workspace and Microsoft applications provide broader compatibility. Zoho Meeting caters specifically to small to medium-sized businesses already invested in the Zoho ecosystem. Its strength lies in its affordability and its tight integration with other Zoho apps, eliminating the need for extensive API configurations. The webinar functionality supports up to 250 attendees in the standard plan, positioning it well for smaller online events and internal training sessions. Screen sharing, annotation tools, and polling features are standard and functional. However, Zoho Meeting has weaknesses. Compared to industry giants like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, the user interface can feel less polished and intuitive. The video quality, while generally adequate, can sometimes lag, particularly with a high number of participants or during screen sharing of resource-intensive applications. Customization options for branding and meeting experiences are limited, especially in the lower-tier plans, which might be a drawback for larger organizations seeking a more branded experience. While the integrations are a strength, reliance on the Zoho ecosystem can be a limitation for companies that use a wider variety of software solutions. The free plan is quite restrictive, offering only basic meeting functionality for up to 3 participants, making it unsuitable for most business needs. Overall, Zoho Meeting is a solid choice for businesses already deeply entrenched in the Zoho ecosystem looking for a cost-effective and well-integrated web conferencing solution. If your organization prioritizes seamless workflow within Zoho apps and doesn't require the most advanced features or highly customized experiences, Zoho Meeting provides excellent value. However, businesses prioritizing best-in-class features, superior video quality, or broader integration capabilities might find alternatives like Zoom or Microsoft Teams a better fit, despite the potential added cost and integration complexity. Consider your existing software infrastructure and your specific needs before committing to Zoho Meeting.